Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the inside of a WordPress installation. And WordPress is a website builder that operates on the basis of posts, pages for more permanent content, and then widgets for static content. To create content, a user would typically use either pages or posts to add that content, and typically that content would be added using the process currently on your screen, where you'd write in a title, you'd write in content, and then you manipulate that content using the various buttons that WordPress gives you. However, WordPress has now created a new editor to create and manipulate content. They've given that editor a different look with different features and an entirely different interface. That interface is called the Gutenberg editor. And in this course, we will explore this editor and how you can use it in order to create content on your WordPress website. We'll visit how you can use all of the major content containers called blocks and how you can manipulate them on your page. We'll also take a look at how that content impacts what the viewer will see when they come to your website. So in the next two videos, we'll go over the basics of installing your WordPress website and then the elements of using WordPress, most of which it's likely that you may already know. We'll focus the bulk of the course on how you can use the Gutenberg editor to manipulate content that you may want to place on your website. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video.